Have you ever wondered how a diesel engine works? They're similar to gasoline engines, but there are a few major differences. Gasoline engines rely on spark plugs and air mixture in the combustion chamber. Diesel engines rely on compressing air to the point where it gets very hot and it causes the fuel to combust. Diesel engines do not use a spark plug. The combustion is caused by compression. This type of combustion is 25% to 35% more efficient than gasoline, which translates to better gas mileage. In addition to better gas mileage, diesel engines last twice as long as gasoline engines due to the fact that diesel fuel contains more natural lubricants than gasoline. This reduces engine wear. Most commercial trucks and many home standby generators run on diesel for this reason. Diesel engines also pollute less per mile than gasoline-powered engines, especially in more recent years as diesel technology reduces emissions. However, diesel does produce more particulate matter in its exhaust. Diesel engines haven't caught on in the US mainly for economic reasons, and diesel fuel is more expensive than gasoline. As you can see, there are advantages to diesel engines, but there are also disadvantages. And if you're in the market for one, you're now a bit more educated on the matter. For more car info and automotive tips, head to familyhandyman.com.